Before I get into the demo, high-level overview of the installation process. Of course, you want to go to the Oracle Technology Network and obtain the installation media. You need to have an Oracle Technology Network account, which is free. You just need an email address and a password. You have to agree to the license agreement, and then you're free to download the software. If you're going to use ASM for more advanced disk configuration scenarios, that is a separate install. You'll need to download the Oracle Grid infrastructure and bring up an ASM instance prior to installing the database. Prerequisites, as I said, there's much more to do with Nix than there is with Windows. Setting up a user account to own the installation, manually setting up environment variables. Thanks to the Windows registry, and we'll learn this later in the course, many things are taken care of automatically in a Windows installation. I think it's pretty convenient myself. We have the Java-based Oracle Universal Installer to actually do the installation, and we're going to see that that behaves exactly the same no matter what your operating system platform. After all, Java is a platform-neutral technology, and we know that this phase of the installation builds the instance, which is to say the memory structures and background processes for Oracle Database, but does not build the database itself. You actually can deploy a database while you run the installer, but we're not going to do that. We're going to first perform post-installation checks to make sure that the installation completed successfully, and then we'll run the Database Configuration Assistant to create non-CDBs and CDBs.